Hello, I'm John. Today this lesson is about optional which continue from part 1. Adding a condition to this code. Let me give you example for adding a condition to this code. This one here, exclamation mark and equal, mean is not equal to. You compare an optional value b to new to determine whether it contains a value. If the value is not new, you log a temporary constant c to the console. If the value is new, the result will print out no value. I will give you an example for that. So you remove the optional b. There is no value for b, as you can see new on the sidebar. The result will be no value on the console. Next, optional binding. Optional binding is a pattern to detect whether an optional contains a value. If there is a value, then you assign it to a temporary constant or variable and make it available within a conditional's first branch of execution. Let me give you an example for that. A temporary constant c is made available within the first branch of the condition. If there is a value within the optional b, a temporary constant c is made available for use in the block of code that is executed if the condition evaluates as true. You no longer forcibly unwrap the optional. As you can see, I don't need exclamation mark here at the end of C, and the result is unwrapped. Next, nesting optional binding. Let me give you an example for that. You use integer c to convert string instance in the temporary constant c to each corresponding integer. The result of integer c is unwrapped and assigned to the temporary constant integer c in the second binding, which made the integer value available for use. As you can see the result on the console, integer 5. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my lesson. I will see you the next lesson. Thank you. Bye bye.